So hello my loves, I'm back with another DIY video, and it's just I needed a desk chair and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I was thinking about going ahead and getting a desk chair straight from the store, but I searched around. I searched IKEA, I searched Walmart, I searched TJ Maxx, a number of stores, and the chairs run like $69, $79 that I wanted anyway. So I didn't want just like a plain black chair or white chair, a little plain rolling chair. So I decided I was gonna make my own chair. I already had this pink throw cover. It was kind of some thick fabric, so I decided to use that for my chair. Um, and I found the chair for $24.99 from a store called Roses, and it's perfect. But thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the chair. If you do, please leave comments below. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and stay around. I'll be back again with some more videos. I got some things coming. I'm gonna be making a few things for my baby as well. He's getting ready to come. So here's the video, guys. Bye, loves. So the first thing I did was spray painted my chair using Rust-Oleum, and it's in satin. And I just went in and spray painted all of the metal pieces. I found this cushion at Walmart, and I believe it was like $6.98. And I've already had this throw previously. You've probably seen it in several videos. I have my scissors, my hot glue gun, and my hot glue sticks, and that is what I'm using. Next, I'm just going to remove all of this plastic from the top and bottom of the chair. Now, when I purchased this cushion, I did notice that it was quite bigger than the actual seat of the chair, but that is fine because I'm going to go in with my scissors and I'm going to cut it. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to cover my chair. So you'll see me make a couple cuts just to even it out as best as I can. So once I have it fitting the way I want it to fit, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm just going to place a little hot glue on the actual chair itself. And then I'm going to lay my cushion on top just to give it a little more security, I guess you would say. And after that it's nice and secure, I'm going to take my throw cover, which is my fabric that I'm using, and I'm going to measure it. And then I'm just going to start cutting. And once I get it cut, I'm going to start hot gluing. And there you have it. Everything is nice and secure, hot glued down. Anything that I feel loose, I will go back in and add some more glue to it. So I found these beautiful gems at the Dollar Tree. Y'all know that's my favorite store. And they are just some cute little, I want to say diamond-ish pearls. But I'm going to use them to decorate the top of my chair just to give it a little more design to it so it doesn't look so plain. And unfortunately, I do not have the full video of me placing them. Don't ask me how that did not get recorded or that got deleted, but yeah. So I mean, you could just pretty much guess. It's just pretty much laying them out evenly. And right here, I was just pretty much measuring it to make sure I had enough before I started to use them, because as you can see, it's only 5 strips. So I wanted to make sure that it was going to cover my entire chair top. So here's my finished chair. I hope you guys like it. Again, it cost me no more than $26. It's all in making something more personal to you than making things that people will like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.